Hello humanoids, welcome to Hash Robotics and this is Hari Shankar. This video is about making line following robot using Raspberry Pi Pico with MicroPython. Before we start, if you did not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for instant notification. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can ask me in the comment section. These are the components we required. A 3D printed chassis. You can find the STL file in the description. 4 60 rpm 12 volt DC motor. Wheels for Raspberry Pi Pico development module. L298N motor drive. IR sensor modules 2. A mini breadboard. Volt battery pack. Few jumper wires. And micro USB cable. This is the full circuit diagram of the robot. First, attach the DC motor and wheels to the chassis. Now attach the motor drive to the chassis and connect the DC motor with motor drive as per the circuit diagram. Now attach the mini breadboard to the chassis with double side tape and insert the Raspberry Pi Pico into the breadboard. Attach the IR sensor modules to left and right corner of the chassis. Now connect the motor drive with Raspberry Pi Pico as per the circuit. Now connect the IR sensor modules. Connect the battery pin to the motor drive to connect battery. Now connect the jumper wire to the 5V out for Raspberry Pi Pico. Now attach the 12V battery to the chassis. Make sure to remove the power pin from the Pico before uploading the program. Connect the micro USB cable to the computer. Now press the boot button and connect the micro USB cable to the Pico. Then release the boot button. Once the Pico is connected, you can see a pop-up. Now open Tony IDE. Once it is opened, go to Tools Options. Under Interpreter tab, select MicroPython Raspberry Pi Pico. Leave remaining default and click OK. You will get a pop-up to install MicroPython. Click Install button to install MicroPython to the Raspberry Pi Pico. Once the MicroPython has installed, click Close button. Now go to File and open the program. You can find the program in the description. This is the importing part. Here I am declaring pins for motor drives, enable pins and IR sensor modules. For enable pins, I am setting maximum duty cycle for maximum speed. These are the functions for robot directions. In the while loop, I am getting the digital output of the IR sensor modules. Based on the values I get, I am controlling the robot directions. Now press the run button to check. As you can see, it is working fine. So far, the program is running from your system, not from Pico. If you disconnect the Pi, it stops working. we need to store the program into Raspberry Pi Pico. In order to do that, go to File and select Save As. Here select Raspberry Pi Pico. Make sure you name the program as main.py. The reason because every time when you power up the Pico, it will automatically execute the main.py program. Now remove the battery from the motor drive. If the robot is not working properly, you may need to adjust the potentiometer to get the proper output. Use a white sheet to adjust the potentiometer value. Once all done, remove the micro USB cable from the Pico and insert the power pin. Now connect the battery again. Once everything good, you can do a setup like this and test the robot. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video.